In this tutorial, you will learn how to adjust the mowing height of your Vitirover robot. Your Vitirover robot allows you to mow at heights of 5, 7, and 10 centimeters. Before you start, switch off your robot and take the following tools with you. Hexagonal spanner 10, 6 mm Allen key, thread lock. Position your robot on its edge to make it easier to operate. Here, the robot is set at a mowing height of 5 centimeters, which is the lowest height, and we want to change to a mowing height of 7 centimeters, which is the intermediate height. Here are the steps to follow. Using your 6 mm Allen key, completely unscrew the screw holding the mowing block in place to release the block. Next, position the mowing deck at the next setting by moving the deck. Tighten the screw back into the hole corresponding to the mowing height of 7 centimeters. You have now successfully set the mowing height to 7 centimeters. For a mowing height of 10 centimeters, the procedure is slightly different. This mowing height does not require the use of the metal bumper. So let's take a look at how to adjust the mower for a mowing height of 10 centimeters. Take your 10 mm hexagonal key and remove the 3 screws. Make sure you keep the 3 screws to one side. Once you have removed the 3 screws, you can remove the bumper. To ensure that the bumper fixing columns are not obstructed by dirt or any other residue when the robot is running, refix the bumper screws. For the sake of filming, we did not put thread locker on the screws when filming this shot, but for each of the screws, put a drop of thread locker on the thread before tightening them in the fixings to prevent them from unscrewing when the robot is running. Using your 6 mm Allen key, completely unscrew the screw holding the mowing block in place to release the block. Next, position the mowing deck at the next setting by moving the deck to the last setting. This is the highest position, allowing you to mow at a height of 10 centimeters. Tighten the screw that holds the block in place so that the mowing block is fixed at the desired height. Finally, your robot is set to a mowing height of 10 centimeters. Thanks to this tutorial, you've learned how to adjust the mowing height of your Vitirover robot to suit your use.